There was a group of about 27 odd people who met about a year and a half back in Delhi, and the Ford Foundation had hosted this initial meeting of all academics, and some of them expressed more interest, and at XIMB we were willing to coordinate a network where we said we'll first try and understand what the requirements of the human resources is in all these places. So we did a very brief mapping study in 3 states, which was Gujarat, Odisha and Bihar, to understand the requirements of human resources at different levels of the livelihood missions, and see if the right kinds of training material can be provided to them using the strength of the network. There are already lots of case studies. There is a lot of excitement about livelihoods, and because of a different kind of recruitment process, enormous amount of energy amongst the young people whom we saw at the village level. But it would be helpful if they could be provided with the right kind of support, because they're going to take leadership positions at various levels of the district and the block. And we were trying to see if some of the higher education institutes could contribute to this. So as part of this, we've started a small learning group, an e-group, which is called the Livelihood Learning Group. A smaller part of that Livelihood Learning Group was a more dedicated set of 7 or 8 organizations which decided to work together, and this is known as Livelihoods Manthan. The idea was to have the churning around where we can have a set of academicians, people working in the space, constructive workers, activists, etc., thinking together on livelihoods. And that's one of the things we did also in the in the session of traveling together, going to the field together, not just academicians but people who had knowledge in the doing livelihoods over a period of time. So that's so these 7 organizations are there in different parts of the country, and hopefully each of these organizations will also try and develop a closer relationship with the state rural livelihood missions. We've just been about 4-5 months into the work. So